Mucklewain Southern American Rock Festival, a celebration of Southern music, art, and culture, was a rock festival held in 2006 and 2007 in Tennessee, primarily featuring Southern rock music. First held on August 19, 2006, at Whicker Park in Harriman, Tennessee, the first year featured artists such as Steve Earle, Todd Snider, Hoge, and Allison Moorer. In 2007, the festival expanded from 1 day to 2 and moved to Pinewood, Tennessee. Mucklewain was conceived from the notion that there are rock and roll bands and songwriters in the South whose musical voice is underexposed in relation to its impact on Southern culture. Artists who have toured or are constantly touring and trying to take the rock to the people. Mucklewain's of People's Festival, a Southern People's Festival featuring artists whose music speaks to the working Southerner and helps to shape and create a positive Southern culture. References. External links. Official site.